Today, for the next 5 minutes, we're diving into a movement-packed routine designed to unlock your hips and spine while boosting flexibility and mobility. This routine is perfect for mornings, as a warm-up, or anytime your body feels stiff and needs to loosen up. You can do it at home, in the gym, or even outdoors. Just grab a mat or soft surface and some space to move. Every stretch lasts between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So let's jump in and hit the mat. Let's wake up your spine with the classic move. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Take a deep breath in, drop your belly toward the mat, and lift your chest and tailbone toward the ceiling. This is your cow stretch. As you exhale, round your back, tuck your chin to your chest, and draw your belly button toward your spine. Now you're in cat stretch. Keep moving between these two positions at your own pace, letting your breath guide you. Feel the stretch ripple through your spine with each movement. This is your reset button, releasing tension and creating space in your back and shoulders. Keep it smooth. Now lie flat on your stomach and extend your arms out to the sides in a T shape. Bend your right knee and slowly cross your right leg over your body to the left, letting your foot rest on the floor if possible. Keep your chest and shoulders grounded as you feel the twist travel through your spine and into your shoulders. Let gravity pull you deeper into the stretch. Breathe deeply and feel the tension melt away from your lower back and upper body. Switch sides. Bring your right leg back and now cross your left leg over to the right. Keep your breathing steady, letting each exhale deepen the twist. This movement is perfect for releasing stiffness in the spine and shoulders. Let's move to a seated position on the mat. Sit tall with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind you for support. Slowly drop your right knee toward your left foot, letting your hips rotate inward. Then come back to center before dropping your left knee toward your right foot. This movement is like a windshield wiper for your hips. It increases flexibility and mobility in your hip joints, which is key for smoother, pain-free movement. Keep the motion controlled, fam. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs and hips as you move side to side. Let your breath flow naturally as your body opens up. Now, let's bring some energy into the routine. Start on all fours, tuck your toes, and lift your hips into downward dog. Press your heels toward the ground. Let your head relax between your arms, feeling the stretch along your spine and legs. From here, shift forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the mat. Press into your palms and lift your chest. Let your shoulders roll back as you open through your chest. Flow between these two movements for a full minute, letting your breath set the rhythm. Downward dog stretches your hamstrings and back, while cobra stretch opens your chest and strengthens your arms. Feel the balance between strength and flexibility. Let's finish strong with a powerful twist. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your back knee on the ground. Place your left hand on the mat and twist your torso, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Hold here for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch through your hips, back, and shoulders. Breathe deeply, letting the rotation unwind tightness in your spine. Switch sides. Step your left foot forward and reach your left arm up, twisting your torso as you hold. Feel your body open with each breath, creating space and freedom in your movement. And there you have it, fam. 5 minutes of intentional movement to release tension in your hips and spine. If you're feeling more mobile and energized, smash that subscribe button to join the fam for more routines like this. Don't forget to check the link in the description for a free customizable fitness program packed with workouts, nutrition guides, and so much more. Let's keep moving, stay flexible, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!